If you want to help the poor, demonstrate to them that they can become rich. Prove by getting rich yourself. Wallace D. Wattles. Welcome to Books, Life and Me. In this video, we are about to discuss a book named The Science of Getting Rich, written by Wallace D. Wattles. By the end of this video, you will learn the mindset needed to become wealthy, what kind of business helps you succeed faster, what type of daily activities helps you earn riches faster. Do you want to become wealthy? Follow the 6 steps mentioned in this video and you will get wealthy. Wherever you are, whatever your financial condition is, whatever your life situation is. If you follow these steps, you will get rich for sure. Well, these are not my words, but the writer of the book, The Science of Getting Rich, says so. Indeed, this is the very book that inspired Rhonda Byrne to produce and write The Secret. Now, let's see what does the book say. The right to be rich. Whatever may be said in praise of poverty, the fact remains that it is not possible to live a really complete or successful life unless one is rich. This being said, we need to understand that our lives have three important components: mind, body, and soul. Only when we are able to satisfy all these three can we be really happy. Intellectual properties like books and education are needed by the mind. Body needs good food, comfortable place to stay, and fine clothing. The soul finds happiness in loving people and helping others. Since all these are related to money, money becomes the basic right of every person. To be wealthy, you need to have rich parents or extraordinary talents or work really hard from dawn to dusk. If you have such beliefs, it is time to change it. In fact, the writer of the book claims that the only way to get rich is by thinking and acting in a certain way. What is the first thing to do if you want to become rich? Buy stocks or start a small business? It's even more basic. It's your thought. If you start thinking in the right way, everything you desire will come to you. This creation, the world around us, everything started from a teeny tiny thought, says Wattles. Now, let's see what is this thinking in a certain way. Step 1. Think like a creator, not like a competitor. Creators create the opportunities while competitors take the opportunities from others. Creators work with unlimited resources while competitors work with limited resources. We all believe that this world is run by an unknown power. Wattles calls this power as the thinking stuff. When we communicate a thought to this power, it converts the thought into physical form and delivers it to us through other people or other processes in our society. We also call this power as universe. The creative power of the universe is unlimited. So, if we have to communicate with the universe, we also should think like it. That is to realize that the opportunities surrounding us are unlimited. When we come into harmony with this thought, we become creators. Step 2. Gratitude. Gratitude unites human thought with the universe. Suppose if you're planning to buy a house and are currently staying in a rented apartment, be thankful for the apartment you're currently living in. You will eventually get your dream home very soon. Until then, be grateful for the house you are living in. Thanking everything you have in your life should be a part of your daily routine. Step 3. Clear vision. What do you want? How do you want it? Having a clear vision of your dreams is very important. Suppose you wanted to buy a new house. Have a clear picture of the house you want, including the locality, number of rooms and floors, etc. If you are sending a text to your friend, would you send random letters or phrase a proper sentence? When you are communicating with the universe also, you should have the same clarity. In this process, stay away from anything that is not in sync with your dreams. Stay away from all the negative content, whether it is the news or a friend's comment. Anything that messes up with your belief and put you into confusion should be avoided. Step 4. Everyday work. Finish your daily tasks within that day. Do not put off things to be done later. You do not know who and what situations are going to get you closer to your goals. So keep your commitment to your work. This doesn't mean you have to hurry finishing off today's tasks and pick up tomorrow's tasks. Always remember that you are not in competition with anyone. Whenever you get into that hurried competitive mode, slow down. The opportunities are unlimited. You don't have to rush. Step 5. Give and take. As said earlier, the universe delivers your wishes through other people or other processes prevalent in our society. So always keep good relations with everyone around you. Give back equal value to what you take. This doesn't always have to be in the form of money. For example, if you are working in the service sector, for the amount you get paid, provide good service to your clients. Step 6. Getting into the right business. Every person is born with some kind of talent. Identify that talent in you. Choose to work in a job or do a business that harnesses your natural talents and abilities. When you are able to enjoy your work, you will be able to focus 100% on it. If your current situations doesn't allow you to do so, be grateful to whatever you're working at and allot some time and money to improve your natural talents and interests. If you're planning to start a business, do some market research to identify traits that suits your place of stay, your interests and talents. This way you can succeed faster. If you do the basic work with the right mindset, it is quite easy to get rich, says Wattles. These steps sound simple and quite easy. If you have any doubts regarding the success rate of this process, then you are definitely underestimating the power of the universe and the power of your mind. If you have a complete understanding of your goals and work towards it without letting in any negativity, then the opportunities will come along to help you reach your goal. Belief is everything. We wish you good luck in all your endeavors. We will meet with another interesting life-changing video. Thank you for watching.